Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. This week I wanted to talk about developing your online accent. In other words, what makes you, you.
What do we mean by accent? It's the way you talk, just as if you were coming from a different part of the country and you talk in a different way. It's a particular way in which you say things and do things. And so to do this, you need to be in the marketplace a slightly exaggerated version of yourself. I'm not saying to be anyone other than yourself. What do I mean by being an exaggerated person? Whatever you do well, double down on that. So if you are an excellent teacher, do more teaching. If you are an excellent speaker, do more speaking. If you are an excellent writer, do more writing. Double down on who you are. Be an exaggerated version of yourself. Double down on the things you believe. If you have particular beliefs about the way your market or the way the world should work, coming from your perspective, say it more, believe it more, be even more focused on the things you believe. Develop a perspective that you live by and that you believe others should live by too in your market or niche. That's how you are selling. And then you create products, trainings, and partnerships from that perspective. So it's not just any perspective you're creating from that perspective. And so it becomes your accent. It becomes the way you talk. It becomes the way you act. It becomes a way you think. We're developing a particular point of view. And then what happens is you will then start to attract a certain kind of person. So however you're going to be in the marketplace, exaggerate that and be that person even more. And if you would like some help getting started, you might want to check out our strategic marketing framework training that my team put together. You can find that at impc.ws/SMF. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insider Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight and have a great night. Take care.